Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And as you can tell, I have a new microphone now, and I've adjusted the settings, so everything now should sound nice and crisp and very neat. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and let's just get into it. Also, big shout out to my girlfriend who did buy me this mic for Christmas, and I got around to using it, so very happy. Anyways, let's get into it. We can see that Bitcoin right now is back to 46,281, and we have made a little bit of a pump today, but once again getting rejected basically at the top of this resistance box, and we came back down to 45,668. Now we are still holding these levels, but I don't like to see it tested too much. But the thing is that we've been testing it for so long. At this point, we might even be forming a little bit of a bullish divergence here. Maybe the RSI is going to start climbing back up, and we are going to maybe make a large W pattern, as we can see like this, and maybe we're going to rocket up back up to 52,000. Now this is a scenario I've talked about for a little bit now. I think I've talked about it in a couple of videos that we might be forming a bigger macro W pattern where we're going to make a new high right here, maybe get rejected at 51,000, something that we did right here, as we can see. I don't know if you guys can still tell, it was a little bit of multiple W's actually. You can see we made a bit of a W there. It actually turned into a descending triangle, and then we broke out, and then sorry, there was a big fake out right here that we did and eventually end up coming back down and then doing a little bit of a spring trap. Now people are talking that this is a reaccumulation zone, and we're going to get a spring, which is maybe going to come back down to maybe 44,800, and then we're going to pump up from there. Now I do see that as a possible scenario, so I'll just put a little bit of a line there that 44,800 might be the bottom from there. Now we'll just do that right here. 44,800. We'll make it a nice little bit of a blue bar there. As you can see, my charts are very messy, but basically these are all the trades that I have performed in the past, and we've done a few trades over here as well, a bit of macro trades right there. And if we do come back up, then we are still going to have some major resistance coming in at 56,000 and 57,000, just so you guys know. And this trend line right here actually is turning into support multiple times. As we could see, this was resistance, and now we broke out of it. Now we're testing a support. Now are we going to come back down and test it once again? That we're just gonna have to see. We can extend the line to the right so you guys can get a bit better look of where the price could be coming back down, maybe finding some support soon. If we do come back down straight from here, then we would be coming back down to 43,200. Now this could be a potential scenario to take a look at, but we just want to take a look at also traditional markets. I did say that I was going to short at 36,800 in my last video, and I did enter that short from there. And even though we pumped up to 36,950, I still held my position from there on, and I think that we might even start to come down from there, maybe retest 36,355 on the Dow Jones. Now, people are calling me an old man for trading on the Dow Jones, and that gave me a few laughs, but I love the YouTube comments, so very funny. And yeah, we could go back to look at Ethereum as well, back up to 3,800, holding 3666 as support, which is funny right there. Pretty funny number there, 666. But we'll see if Ethereum has the strength to break out into the all-time highs, because the RSI on the 4 hour is quite extended at the moment. We might be coming back down for another dip and test the support, but definitely don't like to see the support tested too much. As we know, once it tests support often, it tends to give in and could potentially break and turn into resistance. Now what we don't want to see is this come down to maybe 44,800 and then come back up and then fail to break 46,300. If we do that, then we're probably going to have this scenario like I've drawn right here, a break down to maybe 44,800, come back up, and then break back down to 43,300, which is going to be our second support here on this chart. 43, or basically 43,245, rounding error. But yeah, you guys can definitely take a look at these charts and draw them on your own. Let's do a bit of XRP analysis, because we got lots of fans of XRP here as well, especially Daniel is one of our major investors in XRP. But we can see that XRP right now is holding these levels as support quite nicely, which is 79 cents. We haven't gone past that too much. I guess I could draw some resistance box. I'll do that on my free time. But this was like a clear top here and a clear top there. And then we eventually broke out. Now we're trying to hold it as support. We failed to hold it here, came back up, and then rejected it here, and then broke up. And now we're holding it as support once again. Now are we going to hold it and then rock it back up to $1.29? This is very possible, but what we want to look at once again is traditional markets. If they start to go down, then you can expect crypto to go down as well, because as much as I hate to say it, but crypto is very correlated with traditional markets. And unlike traditional markets, crypto do not have stock market breakers from stopping the selling. So it's 24/7 selling all the time. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna head off to bed now. Pretty tired, and I'm gonna make a little bit of a better video tomorrow. It's just that tonight was a busy night for me, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace. If you guys haven't already, you guys can sign up for bigget.com, get $158 bonus and a 10% deposit bonus when you sign up with them. Peace.